Namaste. Good evening. In continuation to the series of video lectures which I have determined to bring for the benefit of the students who could not or who cannot afford education with spending of lot of amount or money, and if they are in reach of utilizing this YouTube facility, they can see my video and enhance their knowledge. So I have already started bringing series of video lectures for them in the subject of physics, and most of the video lectures I am bringing in mathematics. I have already brought some video lectures related to vector calculus, three-dimensional geometry, integral calculus, differential equations, quadratic equations. Okay, so in many of the aspects I have already covered, and in further topics also I will be covering completely. So no need to get any type of hesitation to ask me any type of doubt on any chapter. Okay, so today the topic of my discussion is clearly matrix. I am not going to talk about determinant today, because matrices, whenever we are studying matrices, we simultaneously study determinants also. But today I have discussed the questions related to matrices only, and we have found even inverse of the matrix by using matrices only. So some clues were given to us. Okay, so we can find inverse of the matrix by utilizing determinant, by finding cofactors, minors, and then going for adjoint of the matrix. But we can do anything. So with the help of matrix, and what are the types of questions are coming in the examinations, those questions we have seen. 3 questions I have already solved, and these 3 questions will give you complete clarity on this particular topic. So please do not hesitate to ask any type of question. Even if you feel that something negative comment has to be given, you please give your comment, no problem. It will be for my benefit only. I will try my level best to bring more and more videos and to incorporate those suggestions which you will be giving to me. So let us not waste much time and directly go into the problems. Okay, so right, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care and stay safe. Right, so the topic of our discussion today is matrices. This particular chapter is also from 12th standard. CBSE and other boards students also, they are having this particular chapter named as matrices and determinants. Determinants today I am not going to discuss, but matrices from easy to some tough questions also I have taken, and these questions have already appeared in examinations, board examinations earlier. So let us solve this questions related to matrix. Right. So this is question 1, 2, 3. Step by step we will solve all the questions. Let us solve question number 1 first. So question number 1 is, find matrix A such that we are given 2, 1, minus 3, a matrix is given to us, and A is equal to minus 1, 1, 9, and minus 8, minus 2, 22 is one of the matrix. Now we need to find this A matrix. Okay, so we are given 2, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 4, into A is equal to minus 1, 1, 9, minus 8, minus 2, 22. Right. Now the order of this matrix is 2 into 3. Okay. So what it is there, row into column, sorry, not 2 into 3, it is 3 into 2. 3 into 2. And the order of the matrix A will be, that we will find out. And again we have got 3 into 2. So our result is 3 into 2 matrix. When product of this matrix is taking place, it means this matrix A will be 2 into 2. Okay. So the matrix A will be 2 into 2, so that our result we are getting 3 into 2. So this is very important. Now, so what it is there, first we go for number of rows. The first number 3 is showing the number of rows and 2 is showing number of columns. So accordingly 3 into 2, so what is the requirement when we are going for product of the matrix? The number of columns in matrix A should be equal to the number of rows in matrix B. So this 2 and this 2 must be equal, then only further product is possible. Otherwise product will not be possible in matrix. Okay. So we will go for assuming matrix A as, suppose 4 numbers we will get some X, Y and A and B, which is a 2 into 2 matrix. Right? Okay. Now further. So 2 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 4 into matrix this XY, AB is equal to minus 1, minus 8, 1, minus 2, 9, 22. Now we need to multiply this matrix. Okay. So if we are multiplying this matrix, so we will be getting a matrix of 3 into 2. 3 into 2 compulsorily, because the order of the matrix in the result after equal to is 3 into 2. So compulsorily we will be getting matrix 3 into 2. Right. Now we will multiply. So multiplication of a matrix is such, so row and column. Row and column. In this way multiplication is done. Okay. Right. So let us have this one. So 2 into X, 2X, right, and then minus 1 into A, that is minus A, so minus A. Okay, right. Similarly, we will be multiplying with this YB. So 2 into Y, 2Y, minus 1 into B, minus B. Now 1 into X, X, and 0 into A, so it will be 0 only, so X plus 0. Now 1 into Y, so it will give us as Y, plus 0 into B, so it is 0. Now minus 3 into X, minus 3X, plus 4 into A, plus 4A, then minus 3 into Y, minus 3Y, plus 4 into B, so it is 4B. So we have got now 3 into 2 matrix. And this matrix, if matrix A is equal to matrix B, then in that case each and every element of the matrix will be equal. Like suppose if I am writing A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32 is equal to right side B11, B12, okay, and B21, B22, B31, B32. So each and every elements are equal because in between equal to sign is there. So A11 will be equal to B11, and further. So in this way, here also both matrix are equal. It means 2x minus a will be equal to minus 1. 2y minus b will be equal to minus 8. By equating this, we will be able to solve for x, y, a and b. And we will find matrix A. Okay. So I am going to rub it now. This side. Okay. So this I am rubbing. I have rubbed it. Okay. So 2x minus a is equal to minus 1. Another equation we have got 2y minus b is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. Then x plus 0, so x equal to 1. So it is x equal to 1. And y plus 0, so y is equal to minus 2. Then minus 3x plus 4a is equal to 9. And minus 3y plus 4b is equal to 22. Now this is not required. I will rub it. This side also I can rub it. Already you have understood. Okay. Right. So from here directly we have got the value of x equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. We have already got the value. Now we need to find the value of a and b. So if we will put the value of x here, then we will be able to find the value of a here. Okay. So from this equation, if I am putting the value of x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 minus a is equal to 1, and this is giving to us as a is equal to 2 minus 1, and which will be equal to 1. Similarly, from here 2 into y is what? Minus 2 minus b is equal to minus 8, which will be giving to us as b equal to minus 4 plus 8, and b is equal to 4. So now we have got the value of x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 4. So the matrix A which is required is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, and A is 1 and B is 4. So this 2 into 2 matrix A is utilized here. So I hope our students have understood this particular question. How to solve matrix related question which is given to find a matrix. And when the product is possible, that also I told. The order, we need to pay attention towards the order of the matrix first. Okay, let us solve question number 2 now. Question number 2 actually relates with multiplication part. So matrix multiplication is very important one, which needs to be paid attention. Okay, so that is there. Here matrix A is given to us. We need to find A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus KI3 is equal to 0 and find K. I3 means it is third order matrix, 3 into 3 matrix, because here A is all 3 into 3 matrix. So I3 is also third order matrix, 3 into 3 matrix. That's why it is written I. I means identity matrix. So here I is identity matrix and it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it is 3 into 3 matrix, which is I3. Okay, I3 here. Right, but before that, this A matrix is given to us. 1 0 2 0 2 1 and 2 0 3. If this matrix is given to us, A matrix, and if we want to find A square, where it is there, A square, so first we will find A square, which is A into A, which is A into A. It means we need to multiply with the same matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 and 2 0 3. It is also 3 into 3 and it is also 3 into 3. So our result will be 3 into 3. What is the requirement to find that whether product is possible or not? The number of columns in first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Then only product is possible. And the final product of the matrix will give the number of rows of first matrix into number of columns of second matrix. Right? Okay. So this is there. So once I will tell you, like suppose A matrix is there, which is M into N, and another matrix B matrix is there, which is N into P, then we will get resultant matrix as M into P. M into P. So this is the rule. Okay, so let us find A square. Because we need to find A square, then we need to find A cube. So we are going for multiplication now. Like this also we can give the symbol of matrix. There is no issue. If simply straight line will be there, then it will become determinant. So it is not determinant. So there is a difference between matrix and determinant. Much more difference is there. Okay, right. Now as I told, row into column. Row into column. So this matrix, this is the way we are multiplying the matrix. Okay, now let us start. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Okay, so one row into column. Again, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Then 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. So 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3 into 3. Now here I have multiplied, or I will do for everyone, no problem. Okay. Then second row, 0 to 1. Again, 0 into 1. Right. So we can remember this 1, 0, 2, this, then this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, which is from second matrix, is not going to change. So every time we need not to see here. If we are remembering 0 to 1, so simply we can replace this first part with 0 to 1. Okay, so same we will get. So 0 to 1. So we can see here itself. Need not to see in the matrix there. Okay, so 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Similarly, 0 to 1 we need to remember So 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Then again 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Okay, 1 into 3 here. Right. Then again 203 is there. So 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Then 2 into 203 is there. 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 0. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Okay? Right. So, here it has come like this. Now, the matrix which we are going to get here. So, we have got here, let us see, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2 into 2 into 2, yes, okay, 0, 0, 0, 2 into 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and here we can see 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2. Okay, right, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, like 0 to 1. Okay, very good, 2, 0, 3. So 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. Okay, very good. It means we have got it. Now I will add directly. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0, 1, and plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so let me write 1 plus 0 plus 4 for your understanding. Okay, similarly here 0 plus 0 plus 2, and then 2 plus 0 plus 6. Okay, now here 0 plus 0 plus 0, then 0 plus 4 plus 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, in this case 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 plus 6, then 0 plus 2 plus 3, and 4 plus 0 plus 9. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. So, I want to rub this side. Okay. Even this is not required because we are going to get the final result now. This is not required here. Okay. Now, this a square will become 4 plus 1, 5, 0, and 6 plus 2, 8, then 2, okay, and then 4, and 3 plus 2, 5, then here 6 plus 2, 8, 0, and here it has become 9, 4, 13. So, a square we have got. Okay, right, and let me rub it now. Okay, right, very good. This side also it is not required at present. I will note it down separately. Separately I will note it down and I will write a square here so that we can utilize the space, or here itself a square is equal to 508 2 4 5 8 0 13. We have got it. And now we need to find a cube. Yes, so we are going to find a cube now. So a cube. So a cube will be what? A square into a will give us as a cube. So this is a square and into a. So a is again 1 0 2, 0 to 1 and 2 0 3. Okay? Right. Same way we are going for multiplication now. Okay. Now I will not write into 1 into 1, or better I will write. Okay. Even if we are not writing, that's not the issue. So we can write 5 into 1 as 5 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 plus 8 into 2, 16. Okay. Similarly, 5 into 0, so it will become 0, plus 0 into 2, so again 0, plus 8 into 0, so it will become 0. Right. 5 into 2, 10, plus 0 into 1 as 0, plus 8 into 3, 24. Similarly here, 2, 4, 5. So 2 into 1 as 2, plus 4 into 0, 0, plus 5 into 2, 10. Now 2 into 0, plus 4 into 2, 8, plus 5 into 0, 0. Okay. 2, 0, 4 to 8 and 5 into 0. Right. Then 2 into 2, 4, plus 4 into 1, 4, plus 5 into 3, 15. Okay. Now third, 8, 0, 13. So 8 into 1, 8, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 13 into 2, 26. Now 8 into 0, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 13 into 0, 0. Okay? Right. Now 8 into 2, 16, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 13 into 3, 39. So this is our matrix. So A cube matrix, what it will come? A cube, I am going to write here, or instead of writing here, I will write here. A cube is 16 plus 5, 21, in between 0 and 24 plus 10, 34, then 10 plus 2, 12, 0 plus 8, so it is 8, yes of course, and 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 15, 23, and third, 26 plus 8, 34, then 0, and 16 plus 39, so 39 plus 1, 40, 50, 55, so it is 55. So A cube also we have got, A square also we have got. Now we will solve this particular equation, and then we will find the value of K. Okay. Good. So A cube, we are given A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus KI3 is equal to, it is not O, actually it is 0 matrix. It is 0 matrix. Right? So it is 0 matrix, it is there. Okay. So all third order matrix is there, even 0 also third order matrix will be there. Okay. Now let us put the value. 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55, okay, minus 6 will be multiplied with A square. So it is 508, 245, 80, 13 plus 7. A is this one, 102, 020, 213, 3. Okay. And even this is not required because already we have substituted. So this particular is not required. I will rub it from here. Okay. Correct. 7a plus ki3. So ki3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 0 matrix is also third order matrix. Every matrix is 3 into 3 only. Now we need to multiply. Which one? This 6. So in multiplication of matrix, this 6 will be multiplied with each member, each element. 7 will be multiplied with each element. This is the beauty. Whereas it is not there in the case of determinant. In determinant, whether it will be multiplied with only one row or one column, like this. So this difference is there in multiplying a constant to a matrix. Okay. So similarly here we have got right, let us first solve it, means after multiplication. So this is will be as it is now, 21 0 34, 12 8 23, and 34 0 55 will be as it is, minus, will multiply it. So 6 5 30 0 8 6 48, multiplication 6 2 12 24 and 6 5 30, 8 6 48 0 and 13 6 78. Okay, plus here 7 0 14 0 14 7 14 0 21, plus k also will be multiplied. So k 0 0 0 k 0 0 0 k will be equal to 0 matrix 0. Okay, right? Okay. Now we will go for this complete operation. So this is minus, this is plus, this is also plus, which will be equal to 0. Okay. So we will go for here 21 minus 30. I think if I will rub this one also, so we can utilize that. Okay, let us rub it. Not required. So this side, so I am taking care in rubbing it also. Why? Because if with slight mistake, if it will be rubbed anywhere, 34 will become 3, then there will be an issue. All our operations effort will go in vain. So complete operation will do now. 21 minus 30, because in between minus is there. So 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus k. This is 1. Then 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 and 0. So it will be 0 only. Okay, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. 34 minus 48. So here I will write 34 minus 48 plus 14 and plus 0. Similarly, 12 minus 12, 12 minus 12 and plus 0 plus 0. Similarly, 8 minus 24, 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus k. Then 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. Third one, 34 minus 48, 48 plus 14 and plus 0. Right? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So it is 0 only. Okay. 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus k over. So this is equal to 0 matrix, 0. Okay, good. Now this is not required. Okay. So here what we have got? We have got 21 minus 30. So it is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 7. It is minus 2. So here we have got k minus 2. In between we have got 0. And here what we have got? 34 plus 4, 38 plus 10, 48. 48 minus 48, it will become 0. It will also become 0. Right. So most of the case we will get here because this k is here, k is here, k is here. Chances are there that other part we will get 0 only. Compulsorily. Because it is equated to 0. So other part we will get equal to 0. So here also it will be 0. Here also it will be 0. Here also it will be 0. See 12 minus 12. So it is 0 only completely. 0. Here we will not get 0. So 8 minus 20, 14 plus 8, 22 minus 24. So it is k minus 2. Okay. Here 23 plus 7, 30, 30, 30. It will become 0. Here also 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48, it will become 0. Here also it is 0. Here also k minus 2 only we will get, because we have to find the value of k only. So k is equal to 2. So here we can see that 55, 56, 76. 76 minus 78, it is minus 2. So it is k minus 2 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So at each element is equivalent. Okay, so k minus 2 will be equal to 0. So even if we are equating anyone, k minus 2 will be equal to 0. So k minus 2 will be equal to 0 and it is given to us. We will get k is equal to 2, which is our required answer. Because we need to find k. So here k is equal to 2 will be our answer. So yes, of course, it has taken us to solve in, you can say, long calculations are there in product of the matrix. Of course, it is that cannot be avoided. So anywhere, if any mistake is taking place, suppose in case here if we are getting any value, it means somewhere we have committed the mistake. That is clear. Because here 0 is there, so here also 0 is there. Compulsorily. K is at only these three places. These three places. Right? Okay. Let us solve question number 3 now. So I hope up to question number 2 everybody has understood. And now let us solve for question number 3. So it is using equations. Now what it is there, determine the product so and so and use it, means we have to use the product to solve the system of equations x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. So we are given equations x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. If we will be converting it into matrix form, so we will get the matrix as 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3 multiplied by x, y, z is equal to 4, 9, 1. Let us see the multiplication rule of matrix. So it is 3 into 3 matrix. It is 3 into 1 matrix. So the number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. It means this calculation is possible. Multiplication of matrix is possible. Correct. And our resultant matrix will be 3 into 1. So it is 3 into 1. 3 rows and 1 column. Now here, if suppose we are assuming it as A and we are assuming it as X, and here this result, suppose if we are assuming it as Y, then if suppose we multiply both sides with A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse dot y. So A inverse A is equal to I. Okay, A inverse A dot A inverse or A inverse dot A is equal to identity matrix. So I into X will give you X and it will be A inverse dot Y. It means we need to find the inverse of this matrix. That's why here this product is given to us. There are different method is there where we are going for finding minors and then cofactors and then adjoint of the matrix, and thereby we are, and then determinant also, we involve determinant also, and then only we are able to find the inverse of the matrix. But in this case, what we are given here, we should not utilize that particular method. Okay, because in such situation, it is assumed that you are not knowing about determinant. You have to use, compulsorily we have to use this product. Okay, so how to use this product? It means we have to use this product to find A inverse. To find A inverse. Okay, so if we will be able to find A inverse, means its inverse, that we will be substituting here and we will be multiplying with 4, 9, 1, this matrix Y, will get the answer. Okay, so now let us go for finding that. I will rub this one. Okay, even this one also, it is not required. We will simply, because we are knowing now that what actually we need to find. We need to find A inverse, and after that we have to multiply with 4, 9, 1. So that part we are remembering. So let me rub it better and then start finding out. So if we have assumed this as A, so we need to say that let A is equal to 1 minus 1, 1, and 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3, and B is equal to, we are assuming this one, so minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. Okay, right. Here the product is given as B into A. B into A. I want to tell you, gentlemen, that AB is not necessarily equal to SBA in product of the matrix. So do not assume that I will write AB or BA, so nothing will happen. No. BA means BA, so it will not necessarily. Sometimes it may be, in some cases it may be equal, but it is not necessary. So BA will be different, AB will be different. So product is given as BA. That's why I am writing BA here, not AB. Okay, right. So now we'll go for multiplication of this one. So B is, first I have to write compulsorily 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, and 5, minus 3, minus 1, and A, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, and 2, 1, 3. Okay, right. So we need to find the product now. We will go for finding out the product. So this one, minus 4 into 1, so it is minus 4, plus 4 into 1 as 4, plus 4 into 2, 8. Okay, right. Then minus 4 into minus 1 is 4, plus 4 into 2, minus 2, sorry, 4 into minus 2, so it is minus 8, plus 4 into 1, so it will be 4. Then again minus 4 into 1 as minus 4, and plus 4 into minus 2 as minus 8, and 4 into 3 as 12. Then minus 7 into 1 minus 7, plus 1 into 1, 1, plus 3 into 2 at 6. Minus 7 into minus 1, it is 7, plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, plus 3 into 1 as 3. Minus 7 into 1, minus 7, plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, and 3 into 3, it is 9. Then 5 into 1, 5, plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Then 5 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, and minus 1 into 1 as minus 1. Then 5 into 1, 5, and minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, minus 1 into minus 3 as minus 3. Right. Now we have to solve, and we need to find BA. So I am writing just here for my reference, BA is equal to, so here I have got minus 4 plus 4. So this has got cancelled, 8. Here 4 plus 4, 8. So here what I am getting, 8. Here what I am getting, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 8, so it is 0. Here minus 4 minus 8, 12, minus 12 plus 12, it is also becoming 0. Here minus 7 plus 6 plus 1, 7, 7 minus 7, it is 0. Then here 10 minus 2 is 8. here minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 plus 9, it is 0. And here minus 3 minus 2, so 5 minus 5, 0. Here also minus 6 plus 6, 0. And here I am getting 6, 5, 11, 11 minus 3, 8. Okay. Now, can I rub this side, gentlemen? Yes. I will rub it. Very good. So, it means this BA I have found as 800,080,008, and I am rubbing it now. If we will observe this one, so it is just like identity matrix. We can also write as this one. So 8 we can take outside and it will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So what it is? It is I3. It is I3 only. So BA is equal to 8 I3. Right? Or we can write as 1 by 8 BA is equal to I3. Correct? Okay. So if we will multiply, because we have to use this one, we need to find A inverse. So A inverse, how we are finding? So both side, if we are multiplying A inverse, okay, if both side we are multiplying A inverse, let me multiply and tell you. Now these things are not required. B is required. Okay. You need to use B. So B was what? 4, 3 and minus 1. Okay. Now here we will multiply in this particular part A inverse both side, multiplying A inverse. So 1 by 8 will be like this, and we will get B A dot A inverse is equal to I3 A inverse. So this one will be 1 by 8 B, because A dot A inverse is equal to I, and I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. Same to same will be there. Okay. So similarly here A into A inverse will become I. So I is equal to I3 into A inverse. Here also A3 into I. No need to write I3. Okay. So I into A inverse will become A inverse. B into I will become B. This one I will remove. So this has given us as A inverse into I. So A inverse is equal to 1 by 8 B. So the value of A inverse we have got 1 by 8 B. So 1 by 8 and B is what? Minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. This is our A inverse. Okay, which will be utilizing further. So A inverse we have got. Now this A inverse, there we found, so we wrote X is equal to A inverse Y. Okay? Right. So that we have written, and Y is 4, 9 and 1. Correct? Correct. So let us solve that one. Now this is not required. Here I will rub it. Okay. So we have already seen that we wrote as A, that is 1 minus 1, 1. Okay, let us not write those things. So our A matrix was 3 into 3. Our X matrix was 3 into 1. Result, our Y, we have got 3 into 1. Okay, right. It means X is equal to A inverse, which is also 3 into 3, and Y as 3 into 1. Okay, and the result will be 3 into 1. So that A inverse Y. A inverse we have already got. With Y we have to multiply now. A inverse I have rubbed it. Okay. So I have already solved it. I will tell you that A inverse will be what? So A inverse we have to utilize it. So A inverse, what we have got? We got A inverse as 1 by 8 minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. So this one will be our A inverse. Okay. And Y is 491. So 491. Now we have to multiply. So we will get 1 by 8 and we will start multiplying. Minus 4 into 4, minus 16, plus 4 into 9, 36, plus 4 into 1, 4. Minus 7 into 4, minus 28, plus 1 into 9, 9, plus 3 into 1, 3. 5 into 4, 20, minus 9 into 3, so minus 27, and minus 1 into 1 as minus 1. So we have got 1 by 8. Here 36 minus 16. So we have got 20, 20 plus 4, it is 24. Then here we have got 9 plus 3, 12. So minus 28 minus 12 will get minus 16. Here we are getting 20 minus 28. So it is minus 8. We have got, and our, you can say, X, which is X, Y, Z, is, now with this 8, all elements will be divided. So we have got here, after dividing it, this is 24 divided by 8, so 3, minus 16 divided by 8, minus 2, and this minus 8 divided by 8, so minus 1. So our answer has become, okay, we have found the values of X, Y, Z as 3, minus 2 and 1. This answer, we will substitute, this value of X, Y, Z, we will substitute in any one of the equation, and we will see that whether our answer is correct or not. So if we are substituting this one in place of X, if I am putting 3, and then in place of minus Y is minus 2 is there, so minus minus, so it will become plus 2. Okay, and z is minus 1, so minus 1. So what we are getting? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. We are getting the answer. Correct. Our calculations are correct. One more we will see. Here 3 minus 2 into y. So minus 2 into minus 2, it will become plus 4. And minus 2 into minus 1, it will become plus 2. So 4, 3, 7 plus 2, 9. This is also perfect. It means our calculations are correct. We have found the values of x, y, z. So x equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to minus 1 will be our answer. So this system of equation for solving matrix, it takes time and it needs lot of patience. It needs lot of algebraic operations of multiplication, addition, subtraction. Everything is involved here. So it gives a complete refreshment to the mind, mathematically and logically. Okay, so I hope you all would have liked this video and you would have understood. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. You can send me mail. You can put comment. And if you have liked, then please share it to most of your friends. So thank you very much.